Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to clean memory foam. Memory foam is really good for people with back problems, neck problems. It does wonderful things for your posture. You know, it's all the rage right now, and for good reasons. It also, the great thing about memory foam is it does not harbor bacteria and mold as bad as a traditional mattress or a traditional pillow would. So you're getting something that's going to last longer. It's going to keep allergens out of your house better, and it's not going to aggravate your allergies or asthma if you have that problem. If you want to freshen it up every now and again, what you want to do is sprinkle some baking soda on it. This will eliminate any odors and help dry out any drool that may be on the Tempur-Pedic foam or the memory foam, whatever you want to call it. It'll soak up any wetness that's in it that does help harbor bacteria and mold. You also want to do this before you clean it. When you clean memory foam, you just spot clean it. You're not going to clean an entire memory foam mattress or the entire pillow. You just want to spot clean it. Again, it doesn't harbor bacteria and mold like normal pillows and mattresses do, so don't worry that it's got germs. You know, if you're a bit of a hypochondriac, the best thing to have is memory foam. So after you sprinkle baking soda on it, grab your vacuum the baking soda off. Now, when you spot clean it, just have, in this case, since it's just a small pillow, I just have a cup of mild dish soap and water. If you have a mattress or something bigger, you may want to have a bucket of soap and water. Or if you have a mattress that has a particularly bad odor, you may want to add some vinegar to that water. But you're just going to spot clean it. And you want to have, I'll use paper towels. You can use paper towels, you can use a clean hand towel, but just press it on there. It'll kind of wring the water out. The water will really be down in the foam, so you want to keep a towel on top of it and just let it sit overnight. Let it get completely dry before you put sheets or a pillowcase back on it. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you clean memory foam.